I said yesterday, people have been playing games with us, and they're not dealing with the survival of the onslaught that is heading our way. Where do we tell the people to go to?
That's right.
What area should we say that's going to be maybe the safe haven, because really nobody knows? Because half of the place they said it has the vortexes in the middle of America. It seems like all these places have been getting attacked by Mother Nature. That's why we tell everybody to go back and watch these movies 10, 15 times the day after. All the 4 Matrix movies. You can't go into these movies and just be for entertainment no more. We must be code breakers. Because these demons do everything in code symbols and symbology. Yesterday I played the devil advocate as being a so-called European. And basically I asked the question to all of y'all. You say you was gods and goddesses.
That's right.
But you ain't showing proof nothing. You say that you have made this and made that. But now the Europeans running your whole world. And no disrespect to all them, since they posted many of us and say, those are my sons or my base sons. Well, your children have been running wild. And your children have tell you, go get your God. Go get Allah, Jehovah, Yahweh, Jah, any other names you call the supreme force. Because we showing you what it is to be God. We fighting over a little piece of block or a building that none of us own. You riding on planes that none of y'all built. But you say the technology came from you.
Go ahead, drop it.
Y'all don't create nothing. Y'all don't make your own food. When the lights go out and they stop the food coming in your cities, what y'all gonna deal with? When you can't pay that mortgage bill and they moving you out, as if they moving you all out of Harlem, the south side of Chicago, the south side of LA, the north side, just look what's going on around you. They moving you out. All type of tornadoes, earthquakes, hurricanes, typhoons, tsunamis are heading our way. What is the survival plan that we all going to deal with? Because the Third World War is going to be over a fresh, clean